Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today our topic is blood circulation. But blood circulates in our body through blood vessels called arteries, capillaries and veins. Humans have a double circulation. This means that blood passes through the heart twice and it goes once around the body. The right side of the heart pumps blood to the lungs to collect oxygen and get rid of carbon dioxide. The left side of the heart pumps blood to the rest of the body to pick up carbon dioxide and supply the cells with oxygen. When the blood gets to the cells, a liquid called tissue fluid passes across the walls of the capillaries, and tissue fluid forms a continuous link between the water in the blood plasma and the water in the cell cytoplasm. So the substance such as oxygen, carbon dioxide move in both directions through the walls by diffusion. This is the human heart, this is left side of the heart and this is the right side of the heart. The main vein that carries the blood from the deoxygenated blood from the body to the heart. And this is the left side of the heart that supply blood to the rest of the body. It supply oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. And this is the pulmonary vein, that is the only vein that contain oxygenated blood. It carries blood from the lungs to the left atrium. This is the pulmonary artery that carry deoxygenated blood into the lungs. And it is the only artery in our body that contain deoxygenated blood. All other arteries contain oxygenated blood. And this is the main artery. They supply blood to liver, digestive system, kidneys and lungs. And after respiration, the blood carries the waste such as carbon dioxide and urea and bring it back to the heart by the veins. Our next topic is blood vessels. There are three types of blood vessels: artery, capillary and a vein. Arteries are the blood vessels that carry blood away from the heart. Arteries have thick muscular wall so that the high pressure of the blood they can tolerate high pressure of the blood as the blood leaves the heart. Arteries divide into smaller tubes called capillaries. Capillaries are the smallest blood vessels that spread throughout the tissue of the body so that blood gets to each and every cell in the body. The walls of the capillaries are very thin, just 1 cell thick, and there are holes in them. A liquid called tissue fluid leaks out of them. This tissue fluid carry oxygen, food, carbon dioxide and other waste, and these waste are exchanged in both directions by the process of diffusion. Capillaries joins to form the veins. But the veins are the blood vessels that carry blood back to the heart. Veins are wider than the arteries and they have thinner walls because the blood pressure is low in them and blood flows slowly. When we move around, our body muscles help to push the blood along the vein so that they carry the blood back to our heart. Veins have walls like this, and these walls keep the blood flowing in right direction. This wall opens when the blood goes in the right direction, and when the blood flows in wrong direction, this wall closes. Our blood takes 30 seconds to go once around the body. This is the diagram of artery that have thick muscular wall and they are made up of non-elastic fibers. They carry the blood away from the heart and the blood flowing in them have high pressure and they divide. You can see here that they divide and redivide to form capillaries. Capillaries are the smallest blood vessels. They are 1 cell thick and they spread throughout the tissue of the body so that blood reaches to each and every cell and supply food and oxygen to each and every cell of the body. These capillaries then again unite, they are uniting and they form veins. Veins are the blood vessels that carry blood back to the heart. The blood in veins is deoxygenated blood. There is only one vein in our body, that is pulmonary vein, that contain oxygenated blood because it takes the blood from the lungs to the left atrium. Next beta, we have to do test yourself. Question number 1. What does the circulatory system do? The answer is on page number 136 and it will start from this line. In humans, things are transported around the body in the circulatory system. The circulatory system is made up of tubes called arteries, veins and capillaries. Blood is pumped through these blood vessels by the heart. Question number 2. What does the circulatory system consist of? The answer is again on page number 136 and it will start from this line up to this. Question number 3. Explain what is meant by double circulation. The answer is on page number 141 and it will start from this line up to this, including these diagrams. Question number 4. Give two differences between an artery and a vein. The answer will start from this line up to this line and from this line up to this line. Question number 5. Explain why the walls of the capillaries are so thin. The answer will start from this line up to this line. Question number 6. Suggest why the blood pressure in arteries is high but low in veins. To answer this question, you have to mark from this line up to this line and from this line up to this line. Thank you, beta.